Hello. We continue our lessons in subcomma training. Again. Under the positioner combination and ectoris menu. A command we will see is duraptext, rent, sugar command. Thanks to this command. Circularly. The texts we have written in any form. O seklian formana gorylsturm sensina sahibais. First I enter the command. We entered the command. He opened a window for us here. He's already guiding us here. First, select to, blind and texter. So first, let's group text by pressing blind and shift. First we select blind and text. We select it and press select to, in a row. Automatically when we click on it, we are making an installation. On what basis does he make this placement? Of course, it does it according to the settings here. Gordiganas Jibi Yazi. 3 mm Bosluk Gorjigam. 3 mm moved away. Then we can perform operations such as getting closer to 1 mm. Here, as I just showed, we have the part we want around it. We can place this text below. If it is in the site option for 10 months, turn it completely upside down and point inwards. We'll make the placement. This load is in my old state. We'll come back. Text. The Alikman part is. While I was blind. He was making an installation like this. When I say implicitly. Letters upright. He was making an installation in this form. To sue commission. A city blind. And snugly fit blind option. It will make an installation like this. All these with these. By trial and error to combine. You also have the chance to see it. Apart from that, there is one more option. Text. This allows us to adjust the text spacing. He eats it. From here, they go in between and the gaps are open. As you see. As we move towards minus, the gaps are narrowing. Let's shoot with this commander. That's it. Goodbye, see you in the next lesson.